Oh yeah, we've seen that cop. Huh? The road's closed.
We're still gonna have vehicles going up and down the street.
Okay. What time's the checkpoint going till?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you know when it starts?
To go home.
Do you know when it starts?
When they tell us it starts.
Who's they?
Our boss.
Who's the boss?
Traffic sergeant.
What's his name? Who's the traffic sergeant for the night?
We have Sergeant Kim.
Sergeant Kim.
Sergeant Mater.
Sergeant Mayer.
Sergeant Kim.
Another Sergeant Kim.
Lieutenant Nance.
Lieutenant Nance. What's your name? Huh?
Officer Pena.
Pena. Oh, I've seen you on YouTube. Oh, sorry. I've seen him on YouTube. Yeah, Officer Pena. Pena. He pulled over some nice cars. I remember that video. This is where you wanted me? Right.
What was the question?
This is where you wanted me?
I don't care where you're at, as long as you're registered.
You don't care where I'm at? Okay. All right. Thank you. Concern addressed. What's your job at the checkpoint? You don't know? Interesting. This is Sergeant Kim. They're sleeping, Sergeant Kim. They're sleeping over there.
No, they're not.
How you doing?
They're gonna set this up.
Oh, Yamada.
Yeah.
Hopefully he had dinner before he showed up.
Really, come on.
We don't want a meeting.
Oh, come on.
We don't want any sanitation issues. Hopefully wearing a mask. And if you guys remember, he was the one who picked his nose that one time. He also wrote me a ticket for being on my phone while driving. I have court for that coming up soon. Looking
Right, guys, over here.
forward to that. Look, we're getting the whole thing.
Everybody should have a mask on.
A mask?
Everybody should have a mask.
A mask? No mask?
Yeah.
No mask?
Right now, in the public, we don't need the mask.
Really? For each other though? No?
Listen, we're all vaccinated. Don't worry. So
You
stay
are?
back. We're doing our operation.
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
I know. Just stay back. Give us room.
Are you, what do you mean I'm pressed?
That's right.
So I could stay here.
Your press pass again.
You need to see it again?
No.
Oh, so we're good. I'm holding the press pass, champ.
Right, guys, over here.
But masks, though, I think you all should be wearing. I guess you guys don't believe in COVID.
No. Remember outdoors?
Outdoors, 6 feet, they're like touching. Look at everyone here. The biggest spreaders of COVID could be the cops. Think about it. They're coming into contact with everyone all day.
When we, just for the record, you're the press, so I'll let you know. When we make contact, you can watch us. We'll put our mask when we make contact with the public.
Okay.
You'll be assured, I promise.
Apparently, Beverly Hills PD doesn't have to wear masks unless all interacting with the public. I don't think that's true, but that's what Sergeant Kim here is saying. He's saying when they interact with the public, they will be wearing a mask. But around each other, no mask. Oh, look at all the cones going up. That reminds me of Checkpoint. They're grabbing all the safety cones. Go to Mrcheckpoint.com. You can get the text alerts or email alerts of all checkpoint information. Just go to Mrcheckpoint.com and you can get these text messages, email alerts. Easy, right?
Hey brother, do you know what's going on?
Yeah, it's a checkpoint.
For what?
Like
Just
DUI license.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, they're doing it right here?
Right here. But I tell people where they're at.
Okay.
Mr. Checkpoint.
Yes.
Check it out. Mr. Checkpoint.
Instagram?
Yeah, check it. Well, I'm on live right now. See?
Oh, are you? Okay, cool.
Yeah. So people know.
I got you, man. Yeah.
But I
You're
tell.
nice for doing that.
Of course, it's fucked up.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Peace. Be safe.
Bye, you too.
There's going to be a lot of sitting, so let's grab a lot of chairs. These checkpoints, by the way, can cost around $10,000 to conduct, anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000. Point is supposed to be education and prevention. And this is where we're at. Point is prevention and education. The point is actually of a checkpoint is not to catch drunks. An effective checkpoint actually helps deter people, helps educate people, and make people think twice about drunk driving. That's the beauty about Mr. Checkpoint is we reach a lot of people to tell them that drinking and driving is dangerous. There's more effective, efficient, better ways to travel, and it's unsafe to drive if you're under the influence. So use apps like Uber, use apps like Lyft. Get home responsibly. And it is going. Here he is. He's a motorcycle cop, I think. No, he kind of looks like he's having a bad day. You should smile sometime. You guys that look like he's always just smelled shit. That officer. I haven't seen that guy. Cannon. Crescent Drive in Cannon. Do you know when this checkpoint starts?
9 o'clock.
9? Do you know what time it ends?
Probably 2 o'clock.
Do you know the methodology of stopping the cars?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
It's based on the Ingersoll versus Palmer case law. You can look it up.
I know it. It's 8 rules and laws that dictate a checkpoint being legal.
Right now.
But that didn't answer the question.
That's all I'm going to say.
You just said a random case law.
I didn't say any such thing. I'm not going to say anything else.
Ingersoll versus Palmer. Yes, it is 8 laws that make this checkpoint legal. But I was just asking the methodology in stopping the vehicles. Is it every vehicle? Is it every third, every second, every fifth? Wouldn't it be nice if the public could do that when you ask them questions?
Oh, they're posing. I like this posing.
Oh. Sergeant Kim's taking a photo with his phone, or government phone, not sure. Yeah, careful. I don't know if it's a personal phone or government phone, but it's being used. All good. Who's in charge? Is it you? Or you're not going to answer that?
In charge is Lieutenant Lance.
Where's he? Hey, where's Lieutenant Lance?
Oh, he should be right there.
Where?
There, he should be there. He'll come. If he's not here, he'll show up. But he'll put there.
What do you mean I'm in the bike lane, champ?
We have a bike.
I'm on my skateboard.
A bike requires reflectors. That's what we have no such reflectors.
I'm media.
We're standing on the street. We have reflective vests.
I'm in front of this. So you're worried about my safety? Are you worried about my safety?
Yes.
Right now?
Yes.
You're worried about my safety?
You just get on the sidewalk.
Hold on. He's worried about my safety. What was your name again? What was your name? Officer Pena?
If you know why you're asking.
I wanted you to say
If
it.
you know my name, why you're asking.
I don't answer questions.
Exactly.
I'm gonna walk this way.
You need to go around.
I'm gonna film though. I'm the
telling
press.
you, go on this side.
Is your body cam on? It's not. Can you put it on? No, I'm very worried. All right, but now I'm worried about your body camera. Put your body camera on. No, you can write me a ticket. Put your body camera on. Can you put your body camera on? Can you? No, I'm very worried. I'm very worried. It's not even on standby. You got to switch that little thing to the right.
Don't worry about
Officer Pena, can you put your body cam on? Can you call your watch commander? Sergeant Kim? Who? Can you put your body cam on, Officer Pena? I'm still in the street. You don't seem to be worried anymore. That's what I thought. Put your body cam on. You have a gun on your hip. You have a gun on your hip. Officer Pena, did you put your body cam on yet? No. No? Are you working? No. You're not being paid?
not right now.
Yo, your shift hasn't started? I'll check how much you make on Transparent California. What, a couple $100K a year?
I can tell you how much I made.
How much?
Over 150, bro.
Over 150. Wow, and you can't put your body cam on? Who do you work for? Who do you work for?
The city of Beverly Hills.
Yeah, so how about you put your body camera on? Because I'm in the city, I'm asking you to put your body cam on.
So no, don't.
How do you know where the fuck I live?
Why are you so aggressive all of a sudden?
Because you won't put your body cam on. You have a gun on your hip and you won't put your body cam on. Have you seen the videos of officers killing people? How many times is it of the body cam footage? Well, I'm asking you if you could put your body cam on. You're talking to the public, right?
Yeah.
So can you put your body cam on? No. So you were having to stop with me, telling me to go on the sidewalk because you thought it was unsafe, but you wouldn't put your body cam on? Nope. Still won't?
Nope.
Tough guy. That's tough.
Seems like you want it to be tough.
It does?
You're being disrespectful.
You have a gun on your hip, you won't put your camera on. I'm holding a camera.
To do with my gun in my hip.
I'm asking you to put your camera on.
No, you were telling me.
And now you look like a fool
To you?
to hundreds and hundreds of people
Okay.
because this idiot won't turn his body
How
camera
many
on.
people are watching?
Enough
Exactly.
that think you're a fool.
Exactly. You're probably like 20.
20?
Probably.
I've seen your dumbass on YouTube.
Okay. And?
Yeah, how about you put your body cam on?
Don't worry about my camera. Find the watch commander yet? Look for him.
Hey, are people's body cams, are officers' body cams supposed to be on?
You're gonna have to move back a little bit.
Can you turn your body cam on? And can you make sure Officer Pena turns his on? Would you mind?
No, come here.
What do you
You're
mean?
not gonna tell me how to run the operation.
I'm not
I
what?
do need you to stand in this area here. I don't want you directly behind us. It's an officer safety issue.
I'm the
So
press.
you need to move over there.
So you're worried about me?
I need you to move over there.
I'm holding a sign and a skateboard.
No, I need you to move
And a
over
phone.
here. Over here.
Can I go that way?
You can go that way if you like.
Okay.
But
I mean,
don't
it's.
want you right behind
I'll be on this thing.
Okay, stay in the grass is fine.
Okay, I'll stay right here then. But can you tell Officer Pena to put his body cam on? Right now, please. It's appropriate. Thank you. Let's turn it on, champ. Let's turn it on. No? He can't turn it on. His ego's bigger than his care to help the community. Let's go check it out. Officer Pena, I don't know, we're gonna find out. Oh, they've closed the sidewalk. I wonder what these guys are doing. I don't know what they're looking at. How you doing? Chilling?
Just taking a walk.
What do you think of the checkpoint?
I don't know.
Kind of weird, right?
Just see if they're drinking or what.
I mean, they'll just ask questions, you know? Where you coming from? Anything to drink tonight? Oh, they blocked off the sidewalk here.